Okay, ignore the song. He's currently repairing. He's gonna talk. I don't know.
Currently repairing a Bluetooth speaker where the USB connector came off. So all we're gonna do is solder it back. So you just really wanna, since it's you wanna really know what you're doing. Because you can short this out easily if you connect the terminals to the same thing. So basically you want the rules to soldering is clean flux, clean solder. So one thing that's hard about this is the fact that it's real small. So really want to make sure that we have something to keep this connector down so it doesn't move. You can tell that it's soldered because you can see the terminal get real shiny. And all you're doing is using liquid solder to make a electrical connection. But you don't want to do them yes, I said shit. Once again, you want to make sure that these terminals are not touching one another. If they do, it's going to short it out. So, technically it's on there. Let's see what we got.
So unprofessional.
I have fun when I do my stuff, okay?
Still unprofessional.
Alright, so solder. This is not one of the solder irons you can turn off, so make sure that when you're done with it, it's not on anything flammable.
Can we see the soldering iron?
A little simple Radio Shack 12 amp soldering iron, about 12 hours. Ain't gonna hurt too much. Take about 3 minutes to get hot, so it gets hot pretty fast. So we're gonna let that cool for a minute, and we'll be back.